paganda na ang alibay. So, subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.
Papahiya ka.
Detective Tolentino, bago masayin sa kaso ni Walter. Anong ginagawa ni Stella dun sa resort sa may San Juan ng gabi namatay si Walter?
Pinapunta ko siya doon. Matthew has gambling issues. Kumukuha siya ng pambayad galing dito sa kumpanya.
I want Vincent Cabrera out of this company immediately.
Padadaanin ko sa tamang proseso ng board ang pagbabalik nila kay Vincent. Do I have your vote for our son?
Your son! Anak mo lang si Vincent Jacqueline, and I will only protect what's mine!
Vincent, how are you? What is she doing here?
She's with me. Huwag niya nang gawing issue.
Sinubukan naman kitang ipaglaban sa dad mo. Pati sa mga board members. Believe me. Vincent, there's still a way for you to stay in the company. I'm willing to give you my shares so you can start anew.
Thanks, Mom, pero hindi na kailangan. Baka kung ano pang masabi ni Dad. At ayoko na rin pagsiksikan yung sarili ko sa kumpanyang to dahil wala rin naman akong magiging kakampi na isa sa inyo.
That's not true.
I trusted you. Sinabi ko sa inyo yung lahat tungkol kay Matthew at yun mismo yung naging ammunition nila laban sa akin.
I know what you're implying, but I did no such thing.
Akala ko may hangganan ng kabobohan mo, but you always manage to surprise me.
I'm sorry. I just made a mistake.
And I'm tired of fixing each one for you! Hanggang kailan ko lilinisin ang mga kalat ni Matthew? Ha? Magkaintindihan tayo. Magtulungan tayo kay Vincent. And make sure he never finds out.
Okay, Dad. I'll try my best.
No more mistakes. Next time, ikaw na ang mananagot at haharap sa lahat ng kapalpakan mo.
More and more, naiintindihan ko ng lahat. Itong pag-aalala niyo sa akin, is it just a ploy to manipulate me? Dahil sa huli, kagaya rin kayo ni Dad. Hindi anak yung tingin niyo sa akin. I'm just someone indispensable to you.
That's not true.